Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Monday, April 10th, 2017, and today in our Tech News Update, we have Redstone 3 builds that have arrived finally, and this was a big surprise as we're still, waiting for tomorrow's launch officially of the Creators Update. And basically the Redstone 3 builds, and this is the first time that this, I believe, happens, was released last Friday to big surprise, including me being very surprised. So it's build 16170, and it's available for the fast ring. As we're moving ahead in the Windows 10 operating system and looking to the future, well, a new type of ransomware is invading computers, and it's kind of very particular. Instead of asking you for money, it asks you to do at least 200 million points in a game. So this is kind of a very weird way of doing things. So basically, you get this by infecting or by an infected file that you either download or you get an attachment. Once it's installed, it encrypts your files and will start giving you a game which is kind of a aerial shoot 'em game where you have to shoot at targets, and it will unlock your files only and only if you reach 200 million score, which is very difficult. So I don't know why somebody would do something like that. That's more in the typical fashion of some kind of hacker in his basement that just wants to get a little more attention, I would guess. Well, it seems that some selected Windows insiders in the United States will be contacted to have the possibility of testing a Cortana speaker. It seems that Microsoft is working on such a device and that they would probably ask some insiders, so it probably will depend on the type of feedback you send and how long you've been an insider and so on. And you'll be able to test this. I think this is a very exciting time. And also today we had some news about the Armor Cardin speaker that we didn't have really a lot of information about. We've learned a little more. We've learned that it would probably have an integration of Skype also. So that's going to be interesting to see when it comes out. It seems that Samsung has finally decided that digital cameras are a thing of the past. They are stopping production of all digital cameras and focusing mainly on creating cameras for mobile devices and for virtual reality headsets. And that's pretty much what they are focusing on now. The digital camera market is really going away. With all the phones that we have now that all have cameras, it's like we've got cameras everywhere, and the need for such a device is now something of the past, basically. Well, if you are a Word user, a Office user, be careful because there is a flaw that is not yet fixed in Microsoft Office. And if you actually click on a malformed RTF file that is mainly sent to you through email attachments, it can actually infect your computer with malware. So of course Microsoft is working on a fix that they will release eventually. Who knows, maybe tomorrow on Patch Tuesday. But be careful if you are a Word user, and always be careful anyways of all email attachments, which are kind of dangerous. And finally, Microsoft claims that savings for businesses that have moved to Windows 10 amounts to $505 per employee. Why? Just because of productivity increase that Windows 10 gives them. Now, you might be wondering, and of course I am wondering also, how they can actually calculate this. Well, it seems that a third-party company, Gartner, has also done some calculations, and apparently with all the integration that makes everything better, and the fact that the operating system also has the latest technologies, Gartner, they actually found that it was about around $400 per employee of savings when you were using the latest version of Windows compared to Windows 7. So kind of interesting. One of the things that, of course, they did was kind of, calculate this with a fake company, but still kind of interesting. And this was the Tech News Update for Monday, April 10th, 2017. You enjoy our videos, why not give us a PayPal donation? Or just help us with patreon.com/radioandcomputers, where you can basically become our boss. If you enjoy everything that I do, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. And thank you so much for following us on this channel.